I'm back. Okay, so back as what I was talking about. Comment if you guessed already what the product is. Okay, so it's like you can play it all the time and it's very fun to play, but I still don't play. I play it very often. There's a chance that I won't play it ever again. Okay. And it's like, wait a minute. Why is there baby boots? Yeah, who cares about baby boots? Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna. Okay. So back to what I was talking about. So I play it very often and there's a chance that I won't play it ever again. And since we're playing not quite yet, there's a chance that you won't play it too. But YouTubers, yeah, they seem to be enjoying it. Gotta get my pencil. Someone escape vision. Okay. Got my pencil. Okay, it's like. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Please go slow. Because you're just so scared I might fall and okay. And it's like it has Mario games, Super Mario Kart. Oh shit. Okay. I have to find this quickly. And it's like it's fun to play with this. Wait a minute, where's the product? Don't tell me I'll have to go for this. Never mind. Let's go there safely. Safe.